Hello everyone, this is Gary and today we're doing another travel video. Now, as with all my travel videos, this is somewhere that I have visited and I thought it was well worth doing this video because I thought it was well worth a visit. But really there's not much more for me to say other than let's just get into it. Okay, so that was just a short summary, a short travel video about the place. Obviously there is way more that you can find out and discover if you go there yourself. Now, if you like this video, please mark it as a like. And if you want to see more videos like this, well then please subscribe. And apart from that, there's nothing really left to say except thank you very much for watching this video and bye for now.